Well, that's not good. Story time. The primary hose from the pump to the heat exchanger. I guess this would be the outlet hose. Decided that it's going to take a little ride, and Bobcat uses like a flanged, spring retained proprietary thingamajigger. Parker makes them. I can't remember what they're called, but in their infinite wisdom, they decided that they would locate the primary inlet for the air intake right in here with the heat exchanger. So when that blew, engine sucked up, I don't know, probably half a gallon of oil. So yeah, soaked. Be a while before this is run, I suspect. Oil fucking everywhere. And of course, after getting all my tools stolen, I don't have all that much with me, but I do always carry a can of brake clean. So do that, wipe out the inside of the air intake, start it up and see if it explodes, because I don't know what else to do. I guess I could pull the injectors maybe. Thing is, he shut it off while it was spraying hydraulic oil, so didn't run away then. It probably isn't gonna run away now. Great. The old Pettibone, she's been running fine, no issues, surprisingly, besides, hard starting. And the significantly newer machine, by 20-25 years, it's given us problems, I don't know, once every couple months. Granted, we get a lot more hours on this because this goes to job sites. But, just really hoping to get the post dug before the ground freezes again. But here we are. up at least.